What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Teddy Lion here. And today I'm reacting to AMP Runs a Food Truck. I seen this on Instagram. It was like Duke and Agent running the food truck. I thought it was like for something, but I guess it was probably for a video. Let's get into the video and see if they can really run a business. We all know they can run YouTube, but let's see if they can run a business. Let's get into the video.
Come on, one food.
Oh, hell nah. Yeah.
No. Why would you do that?
Back him up.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
I was right. Ages and Dukes. Yep. This was on TikTok.
Y'all New York niggas is always extra, bro. See what we gonna do today, bro? Since y'all from the Bronx, right? Y'all both from the Bronx?
Yeah.
What part of the Bronx you from?
167.
What part you from?
Uptown.
Both of niggas pussy.
I got you, gang. I got you.
Where you from?
Damn.
Pussy.
I don't understand, bro. I really be cooking. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a cook, but I be cooking. You know how you got a skill that you have, but you don't know you have it? That's me.
I feel that.
Nobody believes in us. You know what I'm saying? Nobody believes in us, bro. They think not even us. But we gonna prove these niggas wrong, all right?
And ourselves wrong.
Right? We gotta work hard, bro. We got this, bro. This is easy, my brother. Okay? Roscoe Chicken Soup.
Waffle House soup?
Hey, Chris and Davis, on 3.
1, 2, 3. Davis and Chris.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I grew up in a household where my mom could always cook for me and my dad could always cook for me. So I know I got potential. But why are we always talking about cooking? You know what I'm saying? Why are we not talking about the political and economical state of the world?
Order in the court. All right, bet. Let's get it poppin'.
Hey, Duke, if you don't pay attention, we're done. We're done.
We done anyway, bro.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You can cook though, ain't you?
Yeah, have a little bit of faith, man.
I can cook too.
Yeah, say it. I want to hear you say it.
I can do anything I put my mind to.
Amen. You can do anything you put your mind to. If you want to do something, go out there and do it.
I like that. Y'all want to know my stats? I've successfully cooked 0 meals. I've almost burned 3 homes down. And my food is almost always undercooked or overcooked. There's no in between.
Chopped cheese.
Nah, grabbing it with one hand is crazy, but grabbing it with two, nah, man.
Here's what we gonna do. We're gonna cut that in half. One of y'all cut it in half. Who's gonna do it?
He good with meats, bro. You know how to handle it.
You're gonna put half on this one, half on this one. Go ahead.
Alright. And first of all, once again, I just want to say fuck Agent, because he's my biggest hater, bro. Nigga, only thing I can't do shit, you ass. You so ass, bro. Where's my mother? You're trash, bro.
Where I put it? Right there.
Everything?
Yeah.
Everything.
Put the plastic. Thank you. I will let you cut this, but the way you held that knife, dog.
Oh, I got you,
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Nah, let him do it. Let him do it for the one time.
Bro, I want.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right.
Come on,
Bruh.
come on.
He just dropped the knife, bro. You gotta be more careful than that. That's a knife.
I need you to tighten the fuck up. You on my team, nigga. Come on, he just said it. You literally just said it, bro.
I think the first time I cooked was in the first AMP video when y'all tried to make me swallow that worm. I was not doing that.
You need this?
Nah, brother.
Hey, bro, if you gonna hand it to him, you gotta hand it like this right here.
My fault.
Brother, I appreciate
Safety.
that,
I was never in the military.
Yeah.
They didn't teach me.
See, I want to say about your country, you guys, man. I like that over there.
Yeah, manners. None though, man. Shit, my mama know how to cook though. She probably one of the best cooks in the hood. Everybody go to my mama's house. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what I'm saying? She cooking. We going there, but I ain't never cooked, so fuck it.
I'm in the same boat, y'all. I ain't never cooked. My mom, though? Oh, damn. Crazy.
Nah, sometimes I was burning the bacon and shit. Huh? I used to burn the bacon.
Taste it. Yo, what the fuck?
You eating raw meat?
You eating raw?
Hold on. Hey.
Good job, nigga. Good job, nigga.
Got the paper in there, my boy.
I looked in the previous love and cooking video, and Davis can't cook, so I'm gonna have to carry the nigga, I guess. Like it's just something that anytime Davis on your team, you just gotta carry the nigga. So I'm gonna just do my best to pull most of the leverage, you know what I'm saying? And what we cooking today?
Egg salad, you want to use a really nice, flavorful tomato.
some
It's
shit.
nice to get locally grown tomatoes. We're gonna cut them in wedges.
That's what we doing?
Now, a serrated knife,
That's
or
what we doing?
this is actually
That's what we
called
doing?
a
One sec.
tomato knife, is
Duke has no cooking ability, that's fine. We'll cheat most likely regardless. Duke orders DoorDash all day, every day, or Uber Eats. I don't know what his app of choice is. What I do know is he does that shit 5 times a day. So there's a good chance that'll probably be part of our strategy going forward.
All of these niggas be talking and walking and niggas be talking about me. I love my nigga gon' ride on this nigga, they jump on that nigga jump. Like that nigga don't jump on that nigga chat way. We talking that nigga that ride that nigga don't jump on that
No. Why would you do that?
Did he have?
Oh,
he
why would
actually
you do that?
is.
Why would you do that?
Oh my fucking god.
No.
Oh my god. This
Why
is
would
real. That's real. Oh my god.
Guys, he was by the ketchup.
Oh my god.
I think Chris could be potentially a good partner.
Will he get injured?
Will he get injured? If he finds a way to like mess up his finger or tear his you never know.
Oh shit!
It's ACL.
Get in there.
You out of bro? No, this nigga right here is pause, bro. He's wilding, bro.
None of us like tomatoes.
It's alright.
Like, I take them out most of the time. You know what I'm saying? This just, what is that?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably fucked up a little bit on this, but my shit look immaculate.
I feel like there should be a machine that can cut the stuff for us, though.
My man, what the fuck you doing right there, bro?
Oh, that's my dog. He be in there cooking. He got a little weird, food. You know what I'm saying? Choices. I seen the nigga eating. What the nigga eating? What, steak and watermelon and on some other shit. I'm like, psh, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I think my dog can cook. Y'all seen him cooking salmon the other day too.
Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up. Asian food, he not him. You know what I'm saying? He's not him. Kai Phantom is where things get a little mixy. You know what I'm saying? Because Phantom, he got the experience. You know, he got the pass. He has the credentials. You know what I'm saying?
You better make this the Aki way. The Aki way. Hey, bro, I want to chop cheese. The Aki way. I want to chop cheese on the roll. Yo, Bruce. I want to chop cheese on the roll. The Aki way.
If y'all know, there's a viral guy on TikTok, Instagram, like he's damn near everywhere, like, and he's always like, "Yo, make me a chopped cheese with a pancake as a bun, the Aki way," you know, stuff like that. And it's just like, they were like, "Yo, sure." It's in Brooklyn. I still haven't. I still haven't went there, but I'm gonna go there one day, and I'm gonna see what's up if his food is really good.
No. Why would you do that?
Did he have? Oh, he
Why would
actually
you do that?
is.
Why would you do that?
Oh my fucking god.
No.
Oh my god. This
Why
is
would
real. That's real. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking guy.
Guys, he's joking.
Shit out. Yo, I thought you took your finger off, bro.
Hey, wait.
No.
Do we need to, let's stop, hold on, wait a second. Who the fuck likes tomatoes? Do we need tomatoes?
Yes, people love tomatoes.
You ever cut yourself before, cutting tomatoes?
I had the full Gumby at one point. My shit was gone. Like, I don't feel nothing here.
Oh, you're like, your nerves and shit fucked up.
You're winning right now.
Like I do, I used to put it in a girl's thing. I never felt it right there, so she used to love it.
Wow.
She used to twirl it around. I ain't feel shit.
Don't you want to feel something?
I mean, nah. When you're in that deep.
How can you tell if you're on the clit if you can't feel?
I ain't talking about the clit, dog.
He talking about the ass, my boy.
Oh, you're a freak. I'm not considered by no other team.
I put a thumb in her butt.
I'll be honest with y'all, whatever team Davis is on is gonna make an inedible meal. Let's start there. So Davis team off the rip, don't worry about it.
Nah. If you want to serve me that one, I'm fine. Like,
Yo, who top cheese is that?
that's me right there.
I'm showing you how to make it. This is my shit. I'm hungry as hell.
What? Nigga, we on the line. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, nigga, we on the line. You're not about to skip me on this line, nigga. Where my mother?
Y'all don't have to be in this video, if we're being honest. You guys are not gonna win.
What are you, Agent? You're not gonna win because Phantom is better than you. Like,
Don't
Phantom
gaslight
is
this
way
nigga,
better.
bro.
No,
Yeah,
Phantom is
no
way
bullshit.
better
Talk
than
to that
you.
nigga.
And you are the worst cooker in
Talk to him.
AMP.
Talk to him.
You are
Talk
the
to him.
worst cooker in AMP.
The worst cooker, Davis? It's just the worst cook. Like, there's no cooker. You a cooker? Are you a cooker? That's not English, my boy. Well, is it? I don't think it is. I ain't never heard nobody say cooker. Cooker. Nope. It sounds weird. Cooker. Cooker. I'm the worst cooker. Nah. I'm the worst cook. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Get out. Talk to him. Get it.
Hey,
Bro, talk
Mo,
your shit.
you gotta help these guys out, bro.
Bro.
Your man's right here was throwing the knife around like he was fucking a lecturer and shit. He was fucking the fuck out.
No. Yo, everybody run. Everybody get the fuck out of here. Yo, chill, everybody get out of here. Ah!
Ain't none of my business. You know what I'm saying? The world will be a way better place.
1 second. Alright.
People just mind their own business. They ain't got nothing to do with me, so that ain't my concern.
He about to just jam the meat in there and make it look juicy.
They be asking me the same shit, dog.
Who?
How that shit gonna fit?
Why you telling us that though? Like, yo, what's going on? Hold on. He be getting down and dirty. The Aki way.
What cheese?
Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo, get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Yo, come on! Fight back! Oh my! God damn it, Chris! Oh,
How?
He hit you with that pillow? Uh-oh.
How did you fall?
Chris, you know what pillow you got hit with? That's the cum pillow. Nigga, is there socks in here?
Is there a sock in here?
Nigga.
I was in that live. Yo, tune into Asian Stream on Twitch. His streams is actually very entertaining, man. Like it's fire. So I advise you tune in on Agent's Twitch. I think it's called Call Me. Yep, right there. Call Me Agent Zero. He be live. Tune in. So what ended up happening is that John found a pillow on the couch in the living room, right? And he came into Agent's room and was like, yo, is this your pillow? Right? And upon inspection, there was a sock bundled up in the pillow. And to all my fellas out there, those of you who do, y'all know what a bundled up sock sometimes mean. Like, you know, you come in a sock, you know. Kind of self-explanatory, as they said, cum pillow.
It up, nice and slow, and put stuff in it. You feel me?
Of course.
You just pat it down.
But like, what if you ain't got that much experience? Like, with that type of shit?
Then you just stuff it.
Like, what you mean?
Stuff it, bro.
Like hard?
Yeah.
Are we talking about food, guys?
Yeah. Lock in, but tweak the fuck out.
This fucking guy.
Let's go!
This fucking guy.
Look, but this. is a fucking lobster type shit. You talking about glizzy, bro?
You do know lobsters are bottom feeders, right?
Oh,
What's that
what
mean?
is?
I don't know what that means.
So when whales take a shit and everything take a shit and it falls to the bottom of the ocean, that's when lobsters be eating, bro.
Why would you tell us that before we? You should have kept that to yourself. I feel like you shouldn't have told us that right there,
This
man.
shit busting, bro.
Now what you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of
Bussin'.
Okay.
Hey,
Whoa.
hold on real quick. I gotta
Whoa, dude.
Hold on. Keep it all the way at 1,000.
Yeah, 100 or 1,000?
1,000.
1,000.
You eat mayonnaise sandwiches, don't you?
Mayonnaise sandwiches. I'm not eating no mayo sandwich.
$50.
$100 right now. You eat a mayonnaise sandwich. Disgusting, dog. No.
Chef Mo, you better stop playing with these niggas. So how's the wife and kids, Davis?
Everything's been going good, man. You know, just got the new crib. Now we gotta, lawn landscaping. Yeah. You know, the dog's sick.
Yeah, my wife cheating on me.
She is again?
I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't do the shrimp.
You're on your own on the trip, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man.
Yeah, man.
I
You on
swear,
that
bro,
nigga's
it's
dick.
just like you're a legend in these streets, bro.
Shrimp easy as fuck. I've been watching TikToks on like food, and they always say like shrimps is, bro. They don't take it
Easy.
long, bro. They don't
Yo,
take
you know what, man? I got an air fryer.
Chef motherfucking Mo. Say it again. Mother
Air fryers are legendary. If you know, you know.
fucking Mo.
Motherfucking
And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what he said? Back then they didn't want me, now they. Back then they didn't want me, now they all on me. KC3S fed with the motherfucking kid and boom, nigga.
That nigga's his ass.
Yo, get out!
It's like cat food, bro.
Nah, you a hating ass.
Get sturdy, nigga.
Hey, you can hear his footsteps.
Bruh, I'm trying to congratulate y'all.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Even though y'all treated me like shit, made me eat a meal sandwich.
That's crazy.
But you did give me a little something for that, so I appreciate that. Here you go, brother.
What's this right here?
That's your apron, dog.
Word?
Word.
Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Yes, sir. There you go. And it's an urban apron. You see that? You know what I'm saying?
Graduated from the motherfucking street.
That shit on my hair, I'm trying to congratulate you. All right, man.
How's that waffle though?
That motherfucker busting, nigga. Oh, damn.
Hey!
Now do this. Now do this.
I ain't doing that. I'm on, man. I ain't doing that. I'm Millie Rock.
What the fuck was that?
I'm not doing that. Nah. I hit you with the old school shit. I mean, hit you with some of that. Right?
Yo! He got us some Micah Mary aprons! Nah! These is jeans!
Hold on. I think my shit Dior.
All right, you did all right. I mean, I pray for you on that truck, the whole knives in there. All right, bro? There you go, man.
Boy, this is a fire apron, my brother.
I'm an Avenger now.
Only from Chef Mo himself, bro. Oh my God, bro. Be more fucking hype. Chef Mo just gave you that.
Thank you, Chef Mo. From the bottom of my heart, this means so much to me.
Yeah.
Listen, look. I will make you proud.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
By
Thank
any
you.
means possible.
Yes. Cool.
Hey bro. Get sturdy, nigga.
For real?
Get sturdy. Get sturdy right now, bro. Hey, get sturdy right now.
Hey.
That butter smells so good, bro. Come on. Andale. Let's use that little kid to attract customers. Yo, with that little nigga. Hey, look, I'll make you 10 cents an hour if you tell everybody about this food truck, all right? Tell everybody, like, yell, like, hey, we got a food truck here. Make sure y'all pull up, all right?
We got
Top cheese. You ever heard of top cheese?
No. You gonna have one today?
New York style. You're gonna have one today for free on the house. But make sure you around. We gonna give it to you.
Oh, shit. Are you going to order? No, dude. I'm going that shit.
Right here. Okay, Mr. B. Goddamn, Mr. B. Hold on.
Okay.
Chop cheese. I said, let me.
My nose is irritating me a little bit.
Chop cheese. Chop cheese. Hold on, you wild right there. Hey, yo. Throw this on the book, nigga.
You want to make this? You want to take this?
I'm gonna say it smells good. I hope it tastes good.
Chopped cheese, though.
Okay. I never had a chopped cheese. I'm from LA. I don't think we have.
Never heard of a chopped cheese?
No.
Oh man, you're not living. You ain't never been to New York?
I don't like New York.
What?
Oh, so
What you mean?
Hold on. You could go. You could exit. What?
What you mean you don't like New York? Hold on. What? Fuck you mean you don't like New York? What's going on?
What's
going on, dog? We got chopped cheese and stuff on the house.
On the house?
On the house. Yeah, everybody like 20.
So I'm gonna tell the camera. I ain't never had a chopped cheese in my life. And I'm judging, so I hope it's good.
Oh, it's gonna be good. Trust me, it's gonna be good. We gonna have that love. You feel me?
Okay, well look, I'll be ready.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you safety. I think she was on your dick, bro. I think she was on my dick. She was on your dick. I ain't gonna lie. She was on your dick. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Your dick.
Chop it up like that. Chop it up. Chop it up. Yeah, man.
Hey, you gonna get it the Aki way.
Now you gonna eat it the Aki way.
Hey, he ain't too. Nah, he ain't too. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it.
I said about 20, 25.
Hold on, hey. Come on, one food.
I should look like a muscle, nigga.
Nigga, you know me, nigga. Hey, yo! Hey, free food in the house! Pull up. Yeah. You get some, all right? You get, hey, come get your, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here you go. What's your name, brother? Here you go, here. On the house, be careful, here. Nice little Arizona for you.
Go on about it, bro.
How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yeah. Take a bite. I want you to take a bite real quick. Let me know how that motherfucker tastes, man. New York to the A. Come on. Yeah. How motherfucker taste? Yes, sir. Get this. Hold on. Get that. How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yes, sir. That motherfucker tastes good, right? Hey, shut your ass up, little nigga.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how was Kai's and Phantom's bodega?
Like, I say like a good 9.5.
9.5?
9.5 out of 20?
Yeah, 9 out of 50.
Oh, wait, you said 50?
That was out of 50.
Yeah.
No, but it's too late.
You're locked in on 9.5.
On a scale from 9 to 10, you know, how was his sandwich? How was his sandwich, my brother?
I mean, come on, bro. You know
You
Go foul.
It was fine?
He didn't finish it. He stopped eating it. He started eating something else.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah.
He was eating the prank more than the damn
Yeah,
sandwich.
he left that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, you was eating the glizzy more than the sandwich.
If you like the glizzy, you like the glizzy. It's okay.
To 50. How would the show?
9 to 50?
Yeah.
I get a something about 45.
11. He said
look up there with him. The
he said 44 out of 100.
Fried 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 5.
Fried the main track.
10 out of 50. Oh,
Okay,
nah,
okay,
let's go.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we heard you. 10 out of 50. All right,
Right, 10 out of 50.
we got you. No problem.
They hold on. They about to make some food too. It's three companies. Oh wait, hold on. What you say?
We don't want that.
Oh yeah. Hold on. What y'all saying?
We don't want theirs.
Oh wait, say it a little bit louder. Y'all don't want who's?
There.
Oh, y'all don't want them niggas?
No.
Okay. Now you gotta make some on the house. Hey, look.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying
We got right here. We got the chopped cheese special coming straight out the Bronx from the Bronx era. You feel me? Zona. Now I want y'all to inspect it. Look what you know what I'm saying. How it look? How it look? It's a New York.
I feel like chopped cheese is definitely the safest route, like, cause it's kind of hard to mess up. Most of the flavor comes from the meat, and as long as you got flavorful meat, I feel like you're fine. Like, it's mostly meat, you know, like it's like you should be fine. But like seafood and like, I think Chris and Davis got waffles and chicken, and that's kind of also simple, but knowing Davis, he gonna mess it up anyways.
It's a New York signature, the chopped cheese. Have you ever heard of chopped cheese? No. I've never heard of a chopped cheese.
Once or twice.
Okay, once or twice.
It looked like In-N-Out.
No, don't compare us to them niggas. Hold on. Slow it down.
Like a bootleg, and I see what you. Yeah, I see what you.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that's not quite there. But no, we gonna try it. We gonna.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games. Go ahead.
They hating, bro. They hating.
Bite that in. Go ahead, do your thing. First bite.
Okay, I'm
Can I try the fries first or not?
Yeah, try whatever you want.
All right, bet.
I like the chopped cheese first.
We got rolls and shit.
The fries are good.
Fries is fire, yeah.
Fries are good.
These don't alright.
I'm real picky.
Okay, alright.
Go take a bite. Hey, Peach, go take a nice a nice bite in that. Okay, hold on. He munching. Hold on, he munching.
Hold on, y'all.
It is like in and out.
Look, I'm gonna be going
Why
with
y'all
y'all.
mad at in and out?
Y'all niggas need to put some mayonnaise on that shit.
It's not mayonnaise on it. What you talking about?
We ain't put enough. Like, it's alright. But the meat don't got that much flavor. I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games.
No, I keep it a band, bro.
Cause the hood like it.
I mean, I like it. I took a bite. I still been chewing this whole time. I ain't been able to really check nothing. It might need a little more of that. More flavor in the meat. Wait, hold on.
What you say? Can you say it again? What you say?
I like it.
Hold on.
And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it.
You're not taking bigger bites. I gotta take bigger bites.
I gotta take bigger bites? That shit alright.
Fuck with it.
It's alright. It just need more flavor.
How like the fries?
The fries hit. I fuck with the fries. Yeah, fries good. Hey, this the Red Robin fry. Red Robin jump.
I don't know what's going on with him. I ain't gonna lie.
I think, you know what?
I don't know like that.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm hella picky and I actually like
Appreciate it.
It tastes good. It's something I would order.
Yeah, I got some seafood for you a little bit later.
I love seafood.
And you know, it's like they try and bamboozle you with the Arizona. if they really cared about you, they'd have served you the mango. They was just telling me how great this meal was. I was seeing like, I would have ate some if I wasn't fasting. I would have ate. A good thing that I've been building rapport with the hood. I've been playing volleyball.
What's your meal?
Yeah.
What's your meal?
Shrimp and lobster, nigga. Hey, don't walk with your chest out. Don't walk with your chest out.
Hey, you had the food, huh?
What's up with you?
Hey, you had the food?
Huh?
You had the food?
No, I ain't that. Hey, but you got people that's around you, they gonna try to bust it down.
Oh.
They keep these haters at your face.
Yeah.
Yo, why are like older niggas, like unks, like just always vibing, always got some song in their head, just always like.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. Davis isn't here.
Hey, yo,
yet.
Poppy, where's the other cook, Poppy?
He's not here yet.
Llámalo, mi hermano, llámalo. You know what I said, though?
I see. No, I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said.
Cálmate,
I don't know what you said. Oh my God, it's fucking helpless. It's fucking helpless. It's fucking. Hey, you're not helping me. You're supposed to be a fucking chef.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo, what am I supposed to do with this?
In the fryer. Put in the fryer.
All right.
What the fuck is you doing, bro? This the fryer right here to get the wings right here. This the fryer, bro.
My bad. Damn, you. All right. Thank you for. See, you cooked something for me, my brother.
All right. Yo, put one in one.
Oh, my bad. More
than that.
All right.
Faster, bro.
All right. I'm sorry. Where the fuck is Davis?
Sometimes, bro, some of y'all, man, your chefs is dirty. Yo, bro, you clean your hands today? You clean your hands today?
How you my face?
Clean your fucking hands, nigga. Get back in the truck. Clean your hands and get back in the truck,
Get
man.
back in the kitchen, nigga.
Whoa, that's sexist.
I said to you.
Whoa.
Really good question. Where did you wash your hands today?
He didn't wash his hands. He don't wash his hands.
There is nowhere to wash your hands. So where did you?
Sanitizer. You're on
With
my
what? With
dick.
what? Where is
In
it?
my
I want
car,
some.
in my car.
Can I have some?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm calling him. He's a no call, no show, dog. No call, no show. No call, no show. He's not coming, dog. He's not picking up.
You didn't answer?
Nah.
Oh my God, I can't do this a fucking long. It's called Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles. Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles, and right now it's Chris Chicken and Waffles.
It could be Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo. Mo and Chris.
Hey.
Oh, you want to go first? Chris and Mo sounds good.
You know what I'm
Chris,
saying?
you do Chris and Mo.
That's what I want to tell you.
Okay.
You're probably gonna come in last place.
Hey,
Don't let that demoralize you.
Phantom's better than you.
In what?
Life, nigga.
And now you're on Phantom's cock. You're riding heavily.
Phantom's-
Reverse cowgirl.
Phantom better.
At what?
Phantom better.
God damn. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Hey, Chef Mo. Chef Mo. It wouldn't be. Oh, no, hold on. Oh, we gonna go like. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look who finally made it, bro.
Come on, bro. What
Yo, Bobby, where you was at, Bobby?
This shit is good.
We're at work and you eating, my boy?
We're at a restaurant. This is work, nigga.
Yo, run me my fucking chicken and waffles.
Phantom is better than you.
Yo, bro.
Okay?
Yo.
Dick riding.
I got customers leaving.
Dick
Not looking
riding.
too good.
You know, we wasn't doing that. We was not doing that shit.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm trying to help you
Yeah,
out.
there is not one thing being cooked right now.
Bro, come on, bro.
Y'all chilling.
Look,
Who's that?
I'm gonna hook you up with some shit afterwards. And I can pay you a little extra if you just move them hating ass niggas away from my shit.
Okay, I got you.
Can you? It's one short nigga, dreads, and then one with a
Why he low-key look like Bryson Tiller though? Like
puffy
like
bush.
a little bit. Like probably like his cousin. Like right? I'm bugging? Just a little bit. Like a distant cousin.
I don't have problems with nobody else. Everybody fucking cool. But Agent 000 and Cassidy
And Lil C-Nat. We call him Lil C-Nat. We need them packed up out of here. I need them to feel our pain.
Yes, right?
You see him talking to my mom right there? Okay.
Run, Agent, run!
We're gonna get him next time.
Next time?
Next time.
He kind of just burned you, bro.
Yeah.
A lot of ducks and dogs.
Okay, Agent got the jets. Okay.
I just grab it.
Grab the whole thing, bro.
I put a waffle there.
One each.
I put another waffle there.
Boom.
Oh,
Hey,
wait. Hey.
Boom.
No. The customer satisfaction first, nigga.
All right, no. No, I was gonna eat it. Hey, yeah, come on.
Hey. Okay. Of course I got it, chef, my brother.
Sauce it up. Come on, bro. Come on. Sauce it up. Do too much. Sauce it up. Do too much. Oh, you not listening. One flat, one drum, bro. If you was listening to the ordinary, the greatness of Chef Mo,
You on Chef Mo dick right now, I ain't gonna lie.
So what?
Oh.
Yeah, so what? So what? I'm on Chef Mo's dick. So what? I'm on his
Pause.
dick.
Yo. I just wanted to hate peacefully.
Hello. Welcome to Chris and Davis's Southern Comfort Chicken and Waffles. Make some noise if you're ready for some fucking waffles. Thank you.
I'm on hold, baby. I'm about to shut them niggas down, man. They better act quick. Once I'm done with them. Actually, on some real shit, I'm doing everybody a favor. Eating Davis cooking is a mistake. I've made it before. Don't be one of me.
Come on, man. Try my shit, y'all. Come on, bro. Come on, Avery. Try my shit, nigga. Hey, is he a judge? You a judge? Yeah, nah. Hell nah. All right. Try my motherfucking chicken and waffles. Come on, nigga.
Bro, you got salad on your shit, bro?
It's not solid. It's not solid.
Try to put a coastline to make it look lavish.
Come on, it is lavish.
Okay, K Showtime. Okay.
Well, you been in the gym, you know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about that, you know what I'm saying? Like niggas might be healthy, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me throw some coleslaw on it for the healthy niggas.
What kind of chicken this is, Tom?
What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Vegan and shit, all that shit. You healthy, right?
There were some kids shooting like maybe a music video or selling food out of a food truck in his private parking lot.
In his private parking lot?
Correct.
Okay, so I'll be happy to assist
Is that an actual like? Hold on.
you, but so you think are they doing it now or?
Yeah, like right now, I'm looking at them do it.
How y'all liking the food?
So it tastes good.
Tastes good. What would you
I'm gonna be real.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna be real, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, just being honest.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
I give it like an 8.5.
8.5. What's wrong with it? What'll make it a 10?
I need a little bit. I need some of Davis's blonde, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled in that bitch, right? Duke, need to spit on it. Kai need to dance on this bitch. And then like one of Chris's beard hairs. Work to my dead.
Nothing from Agent?
You know what I'm saying? You said what?
Nothing from Agent?
Agent just need to be there and then it's straight, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Why you not eating? I'm fasting.
What? You know what? We just gonna skip over it like it never happened.
Oh, you fasting? No. Oh, you fasting? You fasting too? Yeah, I'm fasting. You fasting? Yeah. You fasting? Look at you eat?
Should I try speaking with them first? Like, I don't know what to tell them. I guess leave.
I don't want to advise. I mean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just try. Hey! Are y'all supposed to be here? Oh my God, I think they're, okay. Okay, I have to go. They're walking towards me.
Okay.
Okay, I have to.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Fuck your bum.
I gotta go. All right.
Who the fuck you yelling at?
No, okay, wait, 1 sec. Wait.
Come on, bro. Just try my damn shit, nigga.
Look good,
Nigga, take
bro.
a bite. Take a bite,
It don't
nigga.
look good,
Nigga, just take a bite, nigga. You can't.
You see him make this?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no, chicken. Come on. Chicken. And you just eat it with your grills like that? Come on, nigga. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't do you dirty.
It is my humble privilege.
Take your time. I want you, take your time as you judge.
It is my humble.
I heard you don't wash your hands. That's all.
Nah, we wash our
That's
hands.
what the AMP members told me.
This guy that don't wash none of his hands.
Can someone hold the lady's stuff? Come on.
Of course.
What's wrong with y'all?
Disrespectful.
It is my humble privilege.
I hold it.
I got it already, man.
I hold it, sweetheart. Look, you got a fucking round next. I know you.
What was that? We just walking away, chef.
Yeah.
I like sweet.
So what we call this guy right here?
This right here is called the Davis.
I'll try the chicken first.
All right.
You named it after yourself?
It was named after me. Agent, get the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You guys need to be as honest as possible here in this criticism.
Now, honestly, hey, fuck what he's saying because I'm holding your stuff. Now I got a phone in your hand. I will drop that motherfucker. I'm not. But if you say it's good, you know what I'm saying, your shit is.
Now
safe.
he may not be able to run away with it, but I have perfectly capable knees. I will run with it.
Yes. I know you fuck with it. Look at it. You know what I'm saying?
It's not bad.
It's missing something.
It's not bad
too much sauce on it.
Yo, no. I ain't gonna even be a picky ass nigga right now, bro.
Stop.
You being mad picky for no reason right now.
I ain't gonna lie. You
tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
You just hating the hate.
But I don't know if I needed the sauerkraut. I don't know
Too much sauce, but it's good though.
Okay.
Yeah, it can go. Let me see the waffle now though. Nah, the waffle's soggy, bro. What's going on?
I like the presentation.
No. That's because of the syrup. It desaturated the.
So you over sauced it?
No, I didn't over sauce it.
Oh, you did?
It's just the sauce, the type of sauce.
But you know who's not saying anything?
You just spit it out.
I don't like waffles.
Yeah, the chicken wings are good. The waffles don't. Nah, the waffles need work.
Disrespectful.
You know what it is, bro?
No, I'm gonna try
Like
it.
me personally, I don't know. But I eat my waffles like cooked
she
properly, like you know. It has to have a little crunch on it. This is like soggy, bro.
Hey, watch out. No. I ain't gonna lie. How you know you're not soggy?
Yeah. No. Pause.
How is that pause?
That's pause.
When you try to agree with your mans, but you can't, and it's just like, wait, whoa, what?
I like it hard.
Whoa.
Yo, what the fuck?
Now that's pause. That's pause. His pause is way over your pause.
Hey, yo, Chris.
Yeah.
That sauce is crazy, bro. It carried everything. Man, fuck, it's a 10.
Woo!
Yo!
Okay. Before everybody decides, you guys are okay because they don't wash their hands here.
No, that's called love.
That's called love.
That's called love. Character. As long as you guys are okay with it.
That's where the salt comes from.
Davis actually put some of his elbow ash into the food.
Hey, I don't even have my elbows out today. That's how you know he lying. You were hating that
shave
nigga,
it with the
and
grain.
You do not deserve a platform.
And you deserve to be canceled.
Come on, my brother. Look, you said 7.5? Let's go a little higher. What you want in life? What you want in your life right now, bro?
I got a nice place.
Yeah.
I got a nice place we can hoop at. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I got a nice.
Nah, he don't care about basketball, nigga. See, and I knew that. He didn't know that.
Hey, no funny shit.
I really care about you.
Hey, sometimes I be going to Icebox and just buying niggas I go with shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I need a chain. I need a chain.
Hey, you want some grills too?
Yeah.
You gonna let him lie to you like that?
Yeah, this shit a 10, man.
Talk to me, gang. Now what you gonna say?
I literally have a video.
God himself I cook that shit with a little bit of help too. But I'm just saying.
God, bro. I'm
what you gonna do?
I see Mo cooking by himself right now, bro.
Press. Hey, W press in the chat, nigga. I just press you.
L press.
I just press you.
L press.
Hey, I just pressed him.
Yo, bro. He's cooking right now.
No.
Oh, bro.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Look!
I'm cooking this shit right now. He gonna say I wasn't cooking this shit. Look at Evans. I'm dead ass cooking right now.
What do you mean?
You just got in there.
What do you mean?
You here to take care of them?
Huh?
You here to take care of them right there?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Oh, okay. Hey,
Get a truck.
security is right.
It's automatic, buddy.
Hey, more orders.
Hey.
Okay, come on.
Gotta own this property.
Well, my brother,
He already talked to security.
it don't even matter, man. We sold out because we did so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, yeah, we see you hating and shit, trying to tear us down. But my brother is doing good anyway.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Hey, get this nigga off the premises. Get this nigga off the premises, please.
Y'all trying to eat free food? What up, y'all? We got some
Let's see how they do with the.
Hey, bro, we got a. This is called in the business. I'm a businessman now. I got a truck. This is called customer acquisition. My customer acquisition cost is 0. Check this out. Y'all trying to eat some free food? We got some lobster and shrimp. Yo, went to the spot, got me some breaded shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Some hot breaded shrimp right here, man. This already cooked, low key. So, just in case we, you know what I'm saying, we fuck up the meal a little bit. Publix had me covered. Kroger had me covered. Really, all the groups I think cheated. Definitely David's group. They cheated like shit. So I'm on timing. Hey, we ready?
This is like a food court. That we call it? Food court.
Food truck.
Food truck. Right around this corner right here.
Right here?
If you not busy.
I'm pescatarian.
What do you mean?
I'm not sure.
That means I only eat fish.
It's seafood. It's seafood.
You see a little man with a red hat?
Hey, look. She finna go get some seafood. What she call it? Presbyterian?
Pescatarian.
That's exactly what she said.
The seafood, whatever the fuck they call it, the chef says they can't serve it. It's unservable. Alright, what the fuck is going on, bro? What happened? The actual food had ran out. Nah, I'm joking. Oh, cause I ate like 30. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm just by myself, man, holding it down, doing them customer acquisition. You know what I'm saying? It's called guerrilla marketing. You feel me? When you want the budget to spend crazy, it's called guerrilla marketing. It's what some of you do where you just really use. No, bro, I have no idea how to do any of this. So I'm gonna start with the shrimp. And then we're gonna move on to the lobster. I wish I had Duke here right now. Let's take a look on the shrimp. Oh my God, it's close. It's close. Woo!
Hey, what's up, John?
How did the customer acquisition go?
Come on, man. You see the line outside, man. What a...
Hold on. Alright.
What a
What we got gloves for you right here, man.
Yep. I need them.
You know what I'm saying? I got this open up. The shrimp is cooking right there, man. So
sanitary.
Yeah, of course.
Sanitary,
of course.
okay.
So this is what we about to do. I'm gonna have you butter up the buns.
Okay.
And like toast them for me.
Toast them, motherfuckers.
And we're gonna put these in together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take care of the shrimp, and we gotta do one more last shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're looking good right now. Hey, security. Hey, Kai, please don't make too much noise. Security, if anyone acts up, bro, pack him up. ASAP. If you hear a noise.
Yo, Chris.
Hey, gang. So boom, right? So I'm putting butter in this
the middle
and
on the outside. Boom. And then flip it. Boom.
Say
just like that, man.
Say the fuck less, hoe ass nigga. Nigga, line it up.
Hey, if I was cooking in this, because I put more than one down, bro.
What? More than one what? This is the fourth one.
Bro, y'all niggas is bad slow.
Yeah.
hateful, bro. You can't be that hateful. Hey, bro, get out. Get out. Get out. Security! Security!
Hey man, what he at, man? What a nigga at, man?
No?
Yeah.
Tell him to leave. Yo, I know, I overcooked this. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I overcooked this, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Why you telling niggas to leave? Because I thought we could fucking handle it.
Where you at,
bro? Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Bro, you ain't even got this shit ready yet, nigga.
Hey, yo, buddy, get the crowd hype, will you? Yo, Asia, perform, nigga. Perform. Yo, get sturdy, bro.
They mad quiet and shit. They're not even having a good time.
That is your job.
That's
your job. You get sturdy.
Nah. Yo, get sturdy, bro. Yo, get the crowd hype, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, Duke,
Hey, yo, Duke, come out here and do a backflip.
God damn.
Bro, New York niggas talking about do a backflip. You already know what I'm gonna tell them niggas to do.
Okay. Look, dude, don't say nothing, but I do have some already cooked shrimp here, and I have some already cooked bread there that's already toasted. So if we fuck up for whatever reason, we're straight.
Hey man, tell everybody in the crowd to shut the fuck up.
Okay.
This shit whack, nigga.
Hey, I need quiet.
Hey, I wouldn't let him do that. Hey, look. I wouldn't let him do that. Hey, yo, my niggas. Hey, my niggas. I ain't gonna lie.
Diamonds in their mouth, man.
Wait, hold on. Everybody be quiet. If I was y'all, I'll run the back of this truck and
That's me though.
Back him up. What the fuck?
Yo, black people are funny, son. We just loud for no reason, just making noise. Like, I love it.
Oh, we scared of bullets. Nigga, shoot us, nigga. Hey, my dog, my nigga is ready to die. My niggas, hey, dude, shoot him. Shoot me, nigga. He ready to die. He ready to die.
Whoa. We want food, nigga. We want food.
That's a crazy chant.
Hey, niggas begging. All the niggas begging, man. They begging.
We know. This is not a fast food truck. This seafood. Hey. I don't like y'all inciting violence. We're not about to have it.
I got my first two for my dogs right here.
Yeah. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram. Follow my dog. Follow my dog on Instagram right here. Hey, look. Come on. This nigga been begging all day. Nigga been begging all motherfucking day. Hey, look. Nigga been chatting the whole time. Nigga get food.
Oh, he's stealing.
Hey, little nigga. Hey,
Bro, it's like all the hard
can't be
work,
that
but there's no
bad.
appreciation. It's just more criticism and more hate, and it's from people I thought were friends. Pretty fucked up.
Yo, I know you in. Let me go to the back.
You know what's funny is they didn't even cook for their own.
Hey, yo, start that shit down. Don't stop trying.
I'm getting bullied. I'm just gonna call the police. I'm like 1 second away from just calling the police.
Turn the gas. Man, he pissed on me.
I'm not pissed. Yeah.
He crying. Why you Hey, yo, buddy, you had to throw it up on him, gang.
That's crazy.
Look, he about to quit his job. Yo, greatest shit of F is just down. Nigga. Yo, you are out of business. Nigga, go get a J-O-B. You are not an entrepreneur, nigga. Yo, you fell off. Nigga, you got fired from your own job. You fell off. Look at you. What are you doing?
Hey, leave my man's alone, bro. What you talking about over there, man? Get out of here, man.
film, you want?
Oh, Joe. Come on. Hey, y'all sure y'all want to eat their food though?
Bro, I mean, shit.
Would you trust Duke and AJ cooking for you?
Yeah, for sure, yeah. I mean, but they not the chefs though.
That's what I'm saying. Now that shit.
I think you just being L man's for real though.
Damn.
I'm not even weird. Like, and these supposed to be your brothers, and you're not even supporting them.
Nah, slick. You supposed to be like,
this shit is whack. Shit, how you know?
All right, you know what? I'm gonna let you eat the food and throw up, nigga. That's what I get. That's what I get for trying to look out for another brother. Fuck it. Throw up is crazy. Fuck it.
What you say? Bro, chill, bro. You said you got what?
You got more, nigga. Let me rub it in there. You know what I'm saying?
What's just happening, man? What's just happening?
I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Excuse me?
I said I'm not ready to die for Duke. Too many black people out here, bro.
You want to tell Duke that you're not ready to die? Come on.
Do a backflip! Do a backflip! Do a backflip!
Hey.
Do a backflip!
Hey.
Hey, bro. We got goddamn no water. We got Coke and Dr. Pepper type shit.
What type of shit?
What type of
Nigga, this is
Yo,
a fucking lobster restaurant, my brother. That's the only shit I got.
Bro, get the fuck out my face.
Oh my god.
I want to talk to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you after work. Hey, I'm gonna see you after work.
We got the seafood. We got Adrian and Duke. I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm a little nervous, but
I'll be nervous too.
we gonna see. I like seafood. I'm anxious. I'm excited. I love seafood, so I hope they impress me.
Bro, why the fuck?
We asked you, it's a Yelp review, bro. You scared, nigga?
It's a Yelp review, bro. Why y'all worry, bro? Why the fuck y'all worry about my business though?
Okay, but what this got to do with you? What this got to do with you though? Mind your business.
Are you a lobster landlord? You walk around this bitch asking motherfuckers like, you know what I'm saying? Like, mind your business.
Hey, yo, all right, you got it.
Hey, fellas, listen. Of course.
I'll hold that for you.
What is this?
Bev of choice?
It's a lobster.
You got some water, my brother?
Yikes, we don't do water, just soft drinks.
What we got?
Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, orange juice.
Give me one of the Sprites, man.
I'll take an orange juice, man. I'll take
Coke, Sprite. Okay, hold.
Hey, listen. Hey, look. Before y'all dig in, all right? It's about presentation. Okay. It did not present it well.
Doesn't taste matter?
Yeah. No. I was going down.
It's got like a chicken salad aroma.
Smell like Goo Lagoon water.
Yeah.
All right. Taste. Texture. Hold on. Chill, nigga. Let me talk to these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Do your thing,
Just
man.
chill,
Do
bro.
your thing.
Yeah. Look at him. He's so. Look at this nigga, man. Oh, nah, nigga do this right here is raps.
That means it's incredible.
Hey, dude, this shit ass, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta be real.
No,
so how you feel about that?
That's Chris Mans. He literally paid him to say that.
No. Hey, this tastes like an MRE, my boy. Tastes like an MRE. And you know we don't like that, bro. Come on.
This is the last cooking video I do, bro, because niggas keep trolling. Last one was Omar. This time is this. That's Chris Mans, bro. That's Chris Mans. You might have to. Not right now, though. Not right now. Wait till.
Nah.
Nah, not your man, though.
Hey, after these 3 days of tasting, man, after deliberation, the chopped cheese, chicken and waffles, this amazing lobster roll, we decided on a team. That team is...
Pause. You thought New York was gonna lose? Out of here, man. I already told you what it was from the beginning. Like chopped cheese. You can't mess that up. It's easy.
That shit was dry. It was hella.
Yo, they doubted us. Look at them now. Hi, there. Yeah, nigga, you doubted us. Look at us now. Fuck, nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Lame ass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. That lobster roll was ass, bro. Hey, look, man. Where the other judge at? I'm missing the judge. New York up. Yo, we up 2,000. 2,000. Up 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. What you talking about, man? Come on, 3,000, man. 4,000, 5,000.
Facts.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Round me. Please round me. Clap it up. Clap it up right quick. Yeah.
New York can't lose, man. We can't lose. It's just if we in a competition, it's already wraps. Like I don't know why you competing. We already won. Like What you mean?
You hold one side, I hold one side.
I never felt it before.
Excuse me, boy. Hey, security.
Hold on. Let me say congratulations.
Oh, yeah, for Chef Mo.
Yeah, congratulations, dog.
Hey, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Know what I'm saying? So, yeah, winners only. Hey, look.
Hey, clap it up for Kai Phantom real quick. Clap it up for Kai Phantom.
Bro, the edit right there with.
Hey, hold on. Good shit. Fuck up. You used to go to jail for that, bro. You used to go to jail for that, bro. For riding dick for no license. Who get boomed? You get boomed. No, you get boomed, nigga. You get boomed, nigga. No, you get boomed, nigga.
Damn. I was in for the video. If y'all rocking with AMP, like we rocking with AMP, subscribe. Cause we gonna definitely do more AMP videos. To be honest, none of them niggas could cook. But it's New York, so we already know how to win. No matter what competition it is, we already know how to win. Alright? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And comment what you want us to react to. I'm out of here. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Like.